Bonjour tout le monde, alors j'ai souhaité m'intéresser à un sujet au regard des monnaies virtuelles et notamment au regard de la gestion du risque et les retours d'informations notamment de cadres et autorités de la régulation. Donc les autorités de régulation présentes, Monsieur Dirk et Madame Anne Connet. Alors cette commission a eu lieu le mardi 24 avril 2018 et j'ai voulu revenir et répondre et donner mon avis en fait sur les observations qu'ils nous ont pu nous apporter. Donc en premier lieu, je les remercie. Alors, ces personnes se sont exprimées en anglais, donc je vais répondre également et donner mon avis en anglais. Donc this presentation is relating innovation compared to the traditional system. And my question is about risk and identification of the risk. Which kind of risk could be occur for the consumer and the citizen? Then, according to me, the consumer is faces two major risks. If we consider for realize this risk analysis, the fact that we should all arrive to the target equity and parity to survive, because like every people know, without money you could not survive. Regarding this, the target survive for a citizen. If we perform one risk analysis to identify the major risk, I have identified one risk, effectively, that is discussed during this commission. This first risk is major risk related to the decentralization and the possibility that one attack 51, not pastis like drink, but what about this attack 51? This attack 51 is the possibility that one entity that would control more than 50% of the total power of a network of a protocol in the blockchain. But I have increased my risk analysis, because what about the major risk to survive for a citizen? If we consider now the major risk in the centralized system, in other words, the traditional system, there is a major risk as well, maybe more important than in the innovation system. And I think that the innovation system could decrease the human risk that I will explain just now. The second risk is, according to me, a major risk that could be occur regarding the centralization with traditional system. In other words, humans, entities could control more than 100% of the network traditional when they decide. Oh, I could say that. How they could control our money and our economy. If we refer to the Greek scenario and the Greek crisis, and we have seen that Greek effectively have been deprived, their money have been sequestrated by the bank. There is numerous increasing of suicide regarding this. And if I take a look in what happened in France now, I have seen that effectively there is a lot of law and directive that is transposed actually. And the more risky for the citizens is the BRRD. And this directive has been transposed in France. In addition, we've got the law regarding SAPAN 2. And what about the influencer of risk? More and more debt. Then what about my question is it actually mathematically logical, this system, this debt creation? Or we could imagine that this debt will be support. If I take a look to the BRRD, the directive set in place in the France, I have the impression that they have decided that it will be by the citizens, like for the Greek. Nevertheless and nonetheless, regarding the crisis in Greece and the increases of suicide, could we not anticipate this risk right now? Then I ask myself the question, what about the major risk for a citizen and their children? What about the risk for the consumer if a bank decide to recapitalize themselves with citizens' economies? Then to sum up, I will say that the default or the non-conformity of artificial intelligence that was exposed in this commission, in my opinion, could be improved. It's not the same for human intelligence right now, because human intelligence are sometimes limited by a default, a lack, or a desire for awareness, the recognition of our imperfection. And everybody know that human is not perfect. And even if humans are focusing on law, on regulation and supervision, humans are not perfect. They focus on their own priority and sometimes not the social community. Then we should be careful regarding the right of all human beings, really. And I ask you something, please. Put the human in the center of the system back, please, please, please. And control finance. You should perform supervision on the finance system. It's a trouble, actually. And I think that actually there is numerous trouble and default relating this. And I would go more far away by precising that actually there is more and more suicide relating this. And I think that we should urgently set in place a justice court that enable us to focus on the responsibility of the financial authorities that have encouraged the creation of the debt. Today, people could not support again and again this debt crisis, these taxes. Then we should set in place back the human regarding the finance. Thanks to have listened me, and I will perform the same in French. Thank you. Bye bye.